Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It's Wednesday, September 6th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold on the daily, we did lose this upper Bollinger Band. I said that would be a clue for some consolidation. And we have an inside candle formed here. So the high and low is within the previous ranges, high and low. So a bull break tomorrow will be a break above the 1347.70 and closing above that level. And if we get above that, then we'll look at this recent high of 1349.70 as the next resistance. A bear break would be below the low of 1336.40, and then of course confirmation with a break below the 1331.10, yesterday's low. And what we want to see is, you could see that we had increasing bull volume yesterday, and we had decreasing volume today on this consolidation candle, as gold consolidates some with the daily. Definitely overbought, as I mentioned here. And the hourly was, with the hourly RSI was a bit overbought as well. And so normally healthy consolidation for right now. And we're going to watch for a break of that inside candle tomorrow. And on that break tomorrow, we want to see increasing volume, whether it's bear or bull, whichever way it goes. And on the way up, gold bulls have established a lot of supports on the way up here. So the first support I'm going to look at is this previous resistance here at 1331.90. And then this low at 1302.30, and then we're going to look at this next previous resistance. Sorry, that's below that line. So we're going to look at 1281.30, and of course the 1300 level before that, and then 1273.20. Really, what I'm looking for is consolidation with this inside daily candle above this 1331.90, and if we do lose that, a must hold here is this 1302.30. And the reason why is, you can clearly see on this run up here on gold daily, we've been creating lower highs on the way up. So moved up, had some consolidation here, low here, but still higher low from that bottom. Consolidation, low, still higher low, consolidation, higher low, consolidation, higher low, consolidation, higher low, consolidation, higher low. And so on this consolidation, whether we break bear or bull, we want to create a higher low above this 1302.30. And if we break that, that's going to be a big red flag. I don't expect to break that in one daily candle, of course, unless we have some crazy gold action tomorrow. So what we're going to do is play that inside candle on the gold daily. And so the gold daily did lose that upper Bollinger Band. The last time it lost it, we did get one more day of consolidation before heading up. So this is normal, healthy consolidation for now. Just overbought on the daily time frame, and so we'll see how it plays out tomorrow. The weekly is still holding the upper Bollinger Band. That is a doji and a potential reversal if we stay a doji at the end of the week. Of course, we have 2 more trading days left to see how we trade. Obviously, the ideal close would be a close above last week's high, above 1334.50, and at least holding the back test of this upper Bollinger Band on the weekly. As far as the miners go, I'll look at GDX. GDX weekly still looks good. Again, same as gold. It's a reversal, a bearish reversal candle. Again, ideal close is going to be above the high of last week of 24.87, and of course, if nothing else, we want to hold the back test of the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly and ride it up. As far as the daily goes, GDX lost the upper Bollinger Band as well today, along with gold. And you can see we've just been consolidating, moving higher, consolidation, moving higher. So nothing to be afraid of yet for the bull miners yet. This is, again, normal, healthy consolidation on overbought conditions. And so the next support we're going to look at is the low here of 24.49, and then would like to hold the low here of 24.13. That would be, for me, a must hold. And if we lose that, we're going to likely get a TCG bear cross, lose the 8 EMA here, and possibly see a back test of the 20 MA here, which is at 23.61 and rapidly ascending. So that's my thoughts on gold. Also, what I'm watching here is, because gold has been moving opposite a bit to the markets, I am looking at this 1 hour futures chart tonight, and forget this red line. what I'm looking at here is the this potential rising wedge here, and we'll see if we break bear or bullish from it. If we do break bear, the support I'm going to look for is the low here of 2456.5, and of course we have support before that at 245825. So something to monitor overnight is this potential rising wedge here on the hourly and see how it plays out. I did notice the US dollar Japanese yen hourly chart, and from the highs here, I don't know how much it's going to play out, but we do have a inside hourly candle that broke bearish. And what I would like to see is the hourly on US dollar Japanese yen lose this 8 EMA and go back and lose this 20 EMA on the hourly. I think the US dollar itself also had an hourly inside bear break. Not seeing it on the US dollar actually. So no hourly inside bear break on the US dollar, just on the US dollar Japanese yen. So definitely something to watch for tomorrow is that gold inside candle, and the market SPY also created an inside candle, and so we'll see how they break tomorrow. These inside candles are on watch. Let me remove this. So we have a high and low within the previous ranges, high and low. So far, back test of the 8 EMA on the daily has held, so watch for a bear break of this, and then of course a loss of the 8 EMA on the daily for potential more downside on SPY, and see if we still have that inverse relationship with gold. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.